Hello everyone, welcome back. In today's video, we are diving into Enkrypt, which is a multi-chain browser wallet that is developed by the team behind MyEther wallet. So if you are exploring the Web3 space and need a versatile wallet, this one's worth a look. Now, Enkrypt is a non-custodial open source browser extension that supports over 70 blockchain networks, including Ethereum, Bitcoin, Solana, and Polkadot. This means that you can manage a diverse range of assets all in one place. Now, getting started with Enkrypt is also straightforward. After installing the extension, you can create a new wallet or import an existing one using your recovery phrase. Remember, since it is non-custodial, you have full control over your private keys, so keep them secure. The user interface is clean and intuitive. You can easily view your token balances, manage NFTs, and interact with the decentralized applications directly from the wallet. It is designed to make navigating the multi-chain universe seamless. One standout feature is the built-in swapping functionality. Enkrypt allows you to exchange assets across different networks without leaving the extension, making it convenient for users who frequently trade. While Enkrypt offers extensive multi-chain support and a user-friendly experience, it is essential to note that, as with any browser extension wallet, security is paramount. So ensure that you are downloading the extension from the official sources and keep your recovery phrase offline in order to prevent your authorized access. So the question is Enkrypt the right wallet for you in 2025? So if you are looking for a versatile multi-chain wallet with a focus on user control and accessibility, it's definitely worth considering. Just remember to follow best practices for security. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.